Now, one can never overemphasize the importance of mental well-being. Miss South Africa, Shudupadzo Musida, will be doing a 5-kilometer run to raise awareness as well as funds for the cause. She's partnered with the SA Depression and Anxiety Group. eNCA reporter Silindelo Masikane is there and joins us now just to give us an update of what to expect. Slee, good morning to you. We know that Miss SA is very passionate about mental health, and I suppose today is one of those days where she is trying to do something about it, and as far as raising awareness is concerned.
Certainly, it is a cause that's very close to her heart, and this morning we understand that Miss South Africa will be taking part in a fundraising initiative, a 5-kilometer mental well-being run, and this is in partnership with Discovery Vitality as well as the South African Depression South African Depression and Anxiety Group. She will be accompanied by Miss Supranational South Africa as well as Miss South Africa 2020, the first runner-up. Now we are still awaiting the arrival of Miss South Africa, but as you can see behind me, we have some of her teammates who are here to support her, who are also very passionate about mental well-being as well as mental health. But to just give us a little bit of a sense of what's going to be taking place today, I am joined by Dr. Motilal. Thank you so much for your time, ma'am. Just to give us a sense of what exercise does for mental health and mental well-being, what are the benefits?
Yeah, definitely. So we're here from Discovery Vitality, and we're in partnership with Miss South Africa, especially for her mental well-being initiatives. As we know, mental health and physical activity are intricately linked. So we know that improving your physical health and physical activity can not only help prevent mental health conditions, but can help treat mental health conditions as well. From our data at Vitality, we see that people who are physically inactive often report more psychological distress, up to 4 times more psychological distress than those who are physically active. So we see this kind of direct link between physical activity and mental well-being and mental health. It's so important. Here today we're with Team Vitality, which we've linked with Miss South Africa, and what we're doing today is a mental health and run to try and raise awareness and to try and raise donations for the South African Depression and Anxiety Group through this initiative, just to support the mental health and mental well-being of South Africans generally. You can find the run on our Team Vitality Strava community. There everyone can join. It's free to join, and there you can find the Team Vitality community for runners and for cyclists. And what the concept there is that we want to provide that social connectivity to the aspect of physical activity and mental health, because we know it's so important, and it too is so linked to this cause.
What can you say to parents? I mean, we have an incident that's just taken place in Toyando, a 15-year-old girl who has tragically taken her own life, seemingly because of a bullying incident. What kind of activities or programs should parents possibly be involving their children in order to strengthen their mental health as well?
Yeah, I think the first thing, and we chatted about this already, the first thing is awareness. Knowing what people are going through, knowing what exists in the world today. I think, we chatted about this a little bit before, but right now in South Africa and the world, it's a very difficult time. A lot of people are going through emotional strain, a lot of mental health strain because of the pandemic, because of everything that we've gone through in the last year. And I think the first thing that can help young people, but can help as adults as well, is awareness and learning about mental health, learning about the seriousness that it is, the burden. It's a huge burden of disease in South Africa, knowing that it's prevalent, but that there is support and there is help available. So a couple of resources that maybe I can chat about that parents can go to, but everyone can go to, is, for example, we have Vitality at Home, which is a web page. It's open and free to everyone. If you go on there, there's a whole lot of resources that we've curated to try and provide that support. The other kind of avenues are SADAG, or the South African Depression and Anxiety Group. There you can, again, speak to people, phone in, or just visit their website and see kind of all the resources available for that extra support. Even if you're feeling confused, you don't know if someone's going through something, or if you yourself are going through something, to read and to learn more about this and to talk to people around you who you trust, or through counselors or healthcare professionals, you can maybe get help and get the support that you need during this time. And that's so important, that first reach for help, that first reach for, and that ask for support. That's key, I think.
Thank you so much. All right. That is Dr. Mosilal here at the Westcliff Stairs. We are awaiting Ms. Shurufadzo, who will be taking on that fundraising initiative for mental wellness and mental awareness.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Lee. We'll be back to you, of course, with more updates on this issue.